Welcome to 23 Robert Street in Spotswood, New Jersey. This is a fully expanded home. You have 3 bedrooms plus a sitting area, living room, dining room, newer kitchen, 2 full bathrooms. We're situated here on a quiet, dead-end street. No traffic, no noise. She has the benefit of extra land off to the side, which is township-owned land. Nice woods, a little stream further down the road. The home is not in a flood zone. This is important here in Spotswood. You're going to see an oversized deck. The community of Spotswood, very lovely town. Easy commutes to the Jersey Shore and down to New York. It features blue ribbon school system. The home has newer windows throughout, newer siding. We have a new front porch here. Step into the home. New steel insulated door. A wonderful, comfortable feel. Hardwood floors in abundance throughout. Spacious dining room and living room. New young Anderson windows throughout the house. Sliding glass door with built-in blinds. Wood railings and stairs. Here we have the updated kitchen. Featuring all stainless steel appliances. Dishwasher, 5-burner gas range, microwave. Corian counters. Nice neutral decor. Oversized 42-inch cabinets for lots of storage. I'm going to come over here, take a look at the side deck. This gives you an idea of some of the things you can do. That's a little gas fire pit. There used to be an above ground pool. So you have that capability to install it here, and the electric for the pump is still there. You have storage shed, outside entrance basement, Bilco doors, and the property goes somewhere over to where the corner of that fence goes, and somewhere the side of the tree. and the rest is township owned land. That you have the extra privacy and use of without paying the taxes on it. The home features 2-zone heat and central air, both with younger furnaces. We'll go down into the basement. That affords tons of extra storage. Newer washer and dryer. A scrub sink. Newer hot water heater and furnace, 2018, 2019. There's a huge additional storage area and workbench, workroom. .200 amp electric was added in when they did the addition upstairs. Everything's all done with permits. Lots of extra storage here. Another little workbench area. She has her arts and crafts set up here. Give you an idea of some of the potential things you can do here. We are going to head up to one bedroom here. With a closet and extra organizer. Storage, some built-in shelves. Set up as a little den or home office. But you can use it for whatever you like. Plenty of natural light, which is always important. This is an updated bathroom. Newer flooring, navy blue subway tiles, large stand-up shower, sink and toilet, medicine cabinet. Now we head upstairs. And you have this nice little open space here, ideal for a reading room. Could be set up to be a home office. It can also, we had another idea, could be a place if you're into music, you can set up guitars and play keyboard and play right in this little corner here. Beautiful, updated, completely updated, redone bathroom. Great tub with a spray handle. Nice fixtures. All redone very nicely. Lovely oversized tile shower. You have the rain shower head plus the hand sprayer. We head over to the owner's bedroom. Lots of closet space. So you have a double closet here. As you can see, closet organizers will stay with the home. Plenty of room for a king-size bed, recessed lighting. And another huge walk-in closet with additional storage. Lots of light and privacy. You have a second zone of heat and central air up in the attic. Pull down attic stairs with plenty of flooring all up above and a full attic fan, which helps further the energy efficiency of the systems. And an additional utility closet, which you can use for whatever. Another bedroom here. Double windows, plenty of natural light. Basically a full wall of closet space. And that does it for our tour. Come to the open house. And let's see if we can make this one yours.